No?
I said business.
Welcome and gang to the first official YouTube video. So you guys is asking me to do some pranks on Reno, so I will accept the challenge. So by the title, I'm going to be doing the Ratchet prank to get his reaction. So I want you guys to pause this video. I want you to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Okay guys, so I have this tie on my hair and some lipstick. Gonna take my earrings off and put in these hoops. Oh Lord, I'm struggling to put in the hoops. Okay, let me take the next one off. And I'm gonna put these on my necklace. I like it like that, you see? I like it like that. Put these on my necklace. Put one ear over this one. And I'm just gonna get this next bandana, and I'm just gonna put that on top. So my sunglasses. Guys, it's gonna really be funny, but I can't go in. Oh Lord, it doesn't want to stay on. Just put it like that. Cute on Ratchet, eh? So, I'm gonna come back to you guys when you reach. Hey, boo.
Huh?
Hey, boo. You want to lay
Oh, you going fresh up?
Baby, it look nice.
We could always spend time there. Come on, stop that. You know, somebody like anything. You know, somebody like anything. You know, like anything. Close, Benny. I think you're on Joe.
Why you look like that?
Boy, they gotta go back. Are you off? But they gotta go back. Say,
You're talking too much.
Listen, you get 20 minutes to play with. That's game for you.
You talking too much?
That's gonna stay for you. You ain't going for you. I put the chair back, sit back.
Hey!
I'll do that not today, not today. You're gonna practice with those hard because I got ya. You pay agents here. What are you guys doing? I'm questioning body's couture. Oil.
Hey! Why are you rolling out my window? Hey, screw out my window.
No,
safety lock on my window?
Yeah, no. Every car get driver's
So why you had to turn it on? Turn on the window, please.
Don't brush the lady. Yeah,
You're talking too much.
Put up clothes, spend them down right there.
I need gum.
What?
I need gum.
For what?
I need gum.
For what?
I need gum.
That's your business. Damn right. Wait. You getting over 40? You got anything of me? You got any exhaust, right? Yeah, you want to make it, don't back up. Don't play that. Don't play. That's enough of that. Don't play. Don't play. Take him off, stop playing. Move it. Hey, you want to leave this off?
I want KFC.
What?
I want KFC.
I got 20 minutes to believe it.
I want KFC.
Yeah.
I want my KFC first.
No.
Huh?
Yeah. You know, I guess something to do.
I want that.
Take them top off your face and then get the gas. Alright, you can't say no.
Nope.
Alright, that's life.
No.
Make loose, man.
No.
You ain't know what's in man. Set, man. Make loose, man. You know, be on the road around and practicing on things. Yeah. Ain't one guy I'm before. Take it up. Take the stuff off. Now.
Woo, just the breeze. Woo. Where that guitar? Oh Lord, we going through that drive-thru way. Oh, you wanna go inside?
It's a long drive. Enjoy your burger.
You wanna go? No, I want KFC.
I can get it. Don't come out of the car.
You go in there.
Yeah, you go.
So I can't come in.
No.
Oh,
No.
I look embarrassing.
Don't come. Don't come out of the car.
Why can't I come with the car?
You can cause a problem.
I can cause a problem.
You know what's in my yeah.
Why can I not come with the car?
Stop playing. Stop
So
playing.
you embarrassed of me?
I am embarrassed you. Yes, that.
What?
You ain't supposed to be outside on the road.
No. You embarrassed me.
I'll get you on stuff. Come on.
So why you gonna make me get it by myself? Go and get the KFC, please. I will stay inside. He hot.
You want?
3 piece. So mad. I would walk in there and make him even extra hot. But I ain't gonna do that. I can peek my head through the window when he coming back so you can feel the extra bars. See the highway? What else I gonna do? Make sure I something else. Girl, I got my ZT, girl. Got my ZT. I got my ZT. Woof. Now what? Woof. Excited to see when it's coming
right here looking at me. Jesus. Lord. So, he's so mad. He turned off the camera so much time. You think I just recorded myself because I bored? Because you know, I be doing nothing on. But y'all see my ZT? Girl, I so love, girl, look at this. Y'all phones ain't got nothing on this. Look what it could do. Oh, okay. You could take battery out. You could put battery in. You know, slap.
Yeah?
Pass me my phone. Could you please pass me my phone? You hungry?
No.
That's your business.